everyone, we are here at the HighRadius offline drive happening at NxtWave. Some student just got placed. Let's go talk to them. First of all, congratulations. How does it feel to hear the word you have placed?
Yeah, it feels amazing and it is one of my dreams from the start of my B.Tech also.
You have been working hard for months. What's the one thing kept you going?
Consistency and hard work which keeps you keep moving on, whether it is a rejection or else it's a acceptance, it's no matter what.
What advice would you give to someone who is preparing for their first placement drive?
So mainly you have to focus on your skills. Secondly, you have to focus on your communication.
How are you feeling on getting placed?
నాకు చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది ఇప్పుడు ఆఫర్ వచ్చినందుకు.